In just a single prompt and a matter of seconds, AI can create professional and eye-catching thumbnails for you, which increases the chances of making any video go viral. You can either take a reference from a trending video or give AI a prompt from scratch to create a brand new thumbnail for you. And the good news is that this is not going to take hours, but in few minutes, your job will be done. Once the thumbnail is created, if you want to add your own photo, that too can be done without any extra effort, and I am going to show you in this video today. Even if your video and title are great, but your thumbnail is dull, boring or unattractive, views will not come. A thumbnail is such an important part of your entire video. It determines whether your video will go viral or flop. Let's see in detail how to make amazing thumbnails with the help of AI, but before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first step is to go to ChatGPT. You don't need to pay anything, the free version should be sufficient. In the Ask Anything box, write, suggest a prompt to create a thumbnail for my video titled, How to Check Air Quality in Your City. As you can see, the title of the video is How to Check Air Quality in Your City. After typing this, click Enter. Within a second, ChatGPT will give you a very detailed and effective prompt for your thumbnail. Now I will copy this and I will go to another tool whose name is Ideogram. Ideogram is a completely free tool which can generate amazing images. I will add the link in the description. You can click directly on the link and sign in using your email. Now you see a box here that says describe what you want to see. I will now copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in the box. You can make changes in the prompt if you need to. You can see that the text on the thumbnail is bold and clear. Let's say I want to change the title. Instead of check your city's air quality, I want to change it to is your city safe, because I think it would be more effective. So you can change the text as you like, and similarly other parameters can be changed too. This prompt also tells that the background is like a hazy city skyline. You can change it as per your preferences. I don't want any particular logos on my thumbnail, so I'm going to write in the end, no logos please. This is completely optional, you can skip it. Because we are doing this for a YouTube long video thumbnail, you can select the aspect ratio 16:9. This will make sure that it is in the format you can directly upload on YouTube. Now we will click on Generate. Just in few seconds, you see Ideogram gave me such stunning thumbnails. These are so amazing that if I wanted to make it myself, I would have had to spend hours or learn some complicated softwares. But all I had to do was use a single prompt from ChatGPT and paste it on Ideogram to get these next level thumbnails. You can download them from free. Click on the three dots on the top and go to download. Here you have to select JPEG 70% quality, which is available in the free version. Now all these images have a face, but obviously it's not my face. So if you want to put your face instead of those, that's possible too. For that you have to change the prompt a little bit. Let's go back to Ideogram and change the prompt. You see in the beginning of the prompt it says on one side a person looking at a smartphone with. So I will remove this and click on Generate again. Now you see 4 fresh, stunning thumbnails created without a person. So you can put your own face on these thumbnails. Now I'm going to tell you how to put your face on these thumbnails. For that you have to go to another tool called Canva. You'll find the link to the tool in the description. You can click directly on the link and sign in using your email. This is also a free tool. You don't have to pay money to use the free version. So once you're here, you can click on Create a Design. In this box where it says what would you like to create, you can type YouTube thumbnail. Canva has made the size of this page to match exactly with the one that YouTube accepts for thumbnails. Now you go to Upload Files to upload the images that you just downloaded. All the thumbnails are now available on the left panel. So I'm selecting this particular thumbnail to edit. Now I want to add my face. To add my face on the thumbnail, I'm going to select this particular picture. But before adding the picture, I want to remove the background. So I go to another website called remove.pg. This is also a completely free website to remove background from images. Yes, you heard it right. This is also free. For this, you need to click on Upload Image and add the selected image. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, the background is removed and now I can download it for free and I will upload that image on Canva. Once I'm on Canva, I will now drag it and put it on the thumbnail. I can place it wherever I want to. So you can see, in just few minutes, I managed to create a fantastic thumbnail, and that too without any watermarks. Now, if you like a particular YouTuber's video and want to make your thumbnails like that, the first step is to go to that thumbnail. For example, I like the thumbnail of this video, How Did Life Begin on Earth? Mystery of Our Origin by Dhruv Rathi. Now, I will go to another website called youtube-thumbnailgrabber.com. This is also a completely free tool and I will add the link in the description. In order to use the website, I'll copy the link of the video I like and paste here. And then I will click on Get Thumbnail Images. After scrolling down, I'll click on Download HD Thumbnail Image. I have now downloaded the image which I'll use to create a prompt. So I go to ChatGPT and upload this newly downloaded image and type in the Ask Anything box. Give me a detailed prompt for recreating this thumbnail along with uploading the image. So now ChatGPT gives me the prompt to create this thumbnail. I will copy this prompt and go to Ideogram to generate similar images. I want to use my image instead of the creator's image, so I will remove the part for describing the creator's face from the prompt and click on Generate. So now you can see I have these amazing and stunning images similar to that thumbnail, and that too within seconds. Do let me know in the comment section how this turned out for you and if you managed to create such thumbnails for your videos. If you find this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.